Morning 5p. I just wanted to let you know that the piano's all been taken away and cleared up now, and luckily everything's back to normal outside. Also, here are my beautiful flowers. Happy Friday! Hello lovely children, it's Friday. You've made it to the end of Virtual Learning Week 2. Yes, good job guys. I am really proud of you. You've been working so hard and I really appreciate it. When I sit here and I get some of your work in and it's so fantastic, I think, oh, it makes me feel really proud. And when we did our class story yesterday, wow, the level of writing that you guys were doing is amazing. And it just shows me how much you've learned this year and how far you've progressed, because I think if we did that back in September, that story would have been nothing like that. But now you're using all this fabulous vocabulary, all these different sentence types. It's really amazing. So well done. I want to do 3 shout outs this morning. My first shout out is to Clara. She did a game of Monopoly yesterday. She did a bonus maths challenge. Like Miss Dawn had said, if you wanted to do something extra by doing a maths game. So well done, Clara. I've given you a house point. My second shout out is for Milo, because he did the optional English activity yesterday. I said write a story and it needs to involve a giraffe, a chocolate cake and a castle. And Milo actually wrote a poem, so it was really good because it was rhyming, and he managed to use all the things and some great vocab too, and it was 111 words, so pretty close. So if you want to see that, you can go over to Milo's journal on Seesaw. And the third thing I want to shout out for is for Grace's artwork, which she submitted yesterday, and oh my goodness, it is beautiful. A really wonderful picture of the wave. I know we looked at other people's on the Zoom call, so I just wanted to tell you about that. Also on her Seesaw, so go and take a look. It looks awesome. Good job, Grace. A point that I need to make this morning is that me and Miss Dawn will continue to hold optional sessions for you to go to. So for example, yesterday we had the Mathletic sessions. Miss Dawn ran a newspaper report session. We're going to have things that you can come to. So if you found a piece of work difficult, then you can go to it and get some extra feedback. You have to take responsibility and, you know, decide if you want to go. For example, yesterday there were some children who got their mathematics answers wrong on the challenge, but then they didn't come to the session, and that's kind of defeating the point, because obviously the sessions are there to help you if you got it wrong. So you need to take responsibility and think, actually, okay, I need to go to that session to improve myself. You know, I'm going to say to people, you should be coming, but at the end of the day, you should recognise that you need to go yourself. Same with the newspaper reports. If you think yours wasn't very good or you found it really difficult, then you should think, right, I'm going to go to that session with Miss Dawn for some extra help. You need to take responsibility for your learning. Okay, so today, English there's a video for you to watch first of all, where I'm going to talk about sentence types, and I'm going to explain your challenge for today, which is to write a song. So you have to change the lyrics of a song to make it about hand washing. It's quite fun. There's a whole video of examples for you to watch. And if you watch my video, then more will be explained. So, and also you need to do a Socrative quiz for English. So for English, you need to do your Socrative quiz and you need to do the lyric activity. I've also added another chapter, 2 chapters of Boy 87, so please listen to those, make sure you're keeping up. If you missed any from this week, then go back and watch them. Maths, there is going to be a Kahoot quiz at 10, so you need to be ready at 10, and I'm going to share the code with you. It's going to have to be teacher, student paced rather than teacher paced, because we can't do that from remotely, so but we'll still all do it at 10, and then afterwards I'll do a short Zoom call to go through winners and also to go through any answers that we weren't sure about. So everybody needs to attend the Zoom call after that. I will let you know on the 5p chat what time it is. My code is always the same. It's the same code that I keep sending out. That will continue to be my code. So that's maths, and then there's a Mathletics activity to do, and Miss Daunt's made a video for you to watch about pie charts, so please watch her video and then do the activities. ICT is continuing with coding, so you need to click on the link again that I'm shared, and you need to type in your secret words that I gave you last week. Please try and scroll back through your messages to find the secret words instead of asking me again, because for you it will take you 2 minutes to scroll, whereas if everyone asks me for their password again and I have to give it out to everyone, that's going to take me 15 minutes. So it would be easier if you could just spend a couple of minutes finding those passwords. I suggest you write them down somewhere so that you can keep using them. For PE, there is a PE session at 3 p.m. It is compulsory, which means it is not optional. Everybody has to come 3 o'clock to the Zoom call where we'll be doing some games, some stretching, some cardio. Everyone needs to be there. Anyone not there will be getting negative house points, and I will be making a note that you have missed a compulsory PE session. And you also have Portuguese, so please check wherever you normally check to get your Portuguese. That's everything from me. Have a really good day, last day, and then you can chill out this weekend and catch up with anything. Also, if you've got any work overdue from this week, then do it over the weekend, please, and I expect everything ready for when I turn on my computer on Monday morning. Thank you.